So my main point today is to just remind everyone that, like, solo travel, you will feel lonely during that time, but you are able to curate your experience in a manner where you are able to interact with people, fill your days with things, and then potentially make friends along the way if you want to. If you don't want no new friends, that's cool too, but I just want to share, you know, things that I've used while traveling solo for as long as I've been traveling. So I just want to say, making friends does not require you to be extroverted. I am an ambivert, so I am able to flow between, you know, being very social to then being like very dialed down and not wanting to be, you know, in the mood or the center of attention. Like, I can move through those moods. And also it depends on the vibes of that travel experience or that destination, or like what I want from that trip in particular. So I just want to say, when you travel solo, it makes you a little bit more approachable.